to this video, which is my avocado egg recipe. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Before I go any further, my name is Christina Carlyle. I'm a certified holistic nutritionist, sports nutrition specialist, personal trainer, health coach, behavior modification specialist. I know that's a lot. That's why I always say think of me as your coach and biggest cheerleader. And as your coach and biggest cheerleader, I want you to win. And I can help you win very fast with food. I love food. It's not just fuel, it's information. And I love sharing recipes that help people get the right fuels in their bodies so they can get the right information communicating within their metabolism so they can get the right results. And one of the easiest things for me to do when I work with clients is to help them swap in healthy foods so that they can get better results effortlessly. And that's why I wanted to share my avocado egg recipe with you. This is so easy. It's full of protein, full of fiber, healthy fats, so good for you. One avocado egg can keep you feeling full for hours, and it's 100% vegan, plant-based. No eggs are involved. It just so happens I call it avocado eggs because that's what it looks like. This is a 3-ingredient recipe. You do not need to cook. This works as a great snack. It also works as a meal replacement. So if you were gonna do a snack, you would do half of an avocado egg. If you were gonna do a meal replacement, you would do the full avocado egg. And it's really easy to make. All you do is you take an avocado, take the seed out, fill the negative space with some hummus, and it looks like an egg because the hummus is yellowish, and you put it in the hole, it kind of looks like an egg. That's why I just started calling it that, because I didn't know what the heck else to call it. And you top it off with a little bit of hot sauce. Now the hot sauce is optional, but it gives it a little kick, a little flavor. It's delicious. It's so easy. I know it sounds weird, but hear me out. It is so good for you. Avocados are weird because they're a fruit, but they have fat and they're almost a complete protein. When you add in the hummus, you get a full complete protein and you're getting tons of fiber. The hummus is a slow burning carb, so it's a good carb. These will help you feel full for hours. They help improve cognitive function. More than 50% of your brain is made out of fat. So when you're getting avocados, you're getting healthy fats. They're very affordable. A little bit goes a long way with the hummus, and the hot sauce is, to taste. You can use any hot sauce that you want, sriracha, Louisiana style. I use a Fancy Pants probiotic hot sauce just because I want a little boost for my gut health. And when you put it all together, it's quick, it's delicious. I swear to God, hummus and hot sauce put together, that's what helps me get people converted into a fan of plant-based foods. I shared my craveable cabbage recipe already, and that also uses hot sauce and hummus. And I promise this video, which is my go-to recipe, it's so easy, so quick. I use this actually personally on a friend of mine who was trying to lose some weight, and he was in the keto camp, and I'm like, okay, a lot of what he was doing to lose weight and get healthy was kind of contradicting other stuff. And I was like, here, try this. And he loved it so much. He eats them all the time. And it's really just nice to have something quick, easy, affordable, no cook, no real cleanup. I mean, I make this, I scoop it right out of the shell, and then I'm done. You get one dirty spoon, that's it. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Commercially made hummus, inorganic hummus, sometimes that can have GMO soy in it, canola oil, other inflammatory oils, FYI. So if you do have an organic brand, or if you do make your own hummus, keep that in mind. I would prefer you soaking up the organic goodness and avoiding the GMO kind of processed stuff, just because I have to say that, because I'm a holistic nutritionist, just because I love you so much. So anyway, I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. You might just find your new favorite snack. I swear to God, I tried this once as a fluke experiment, and it hooked me in, and I've been sharing it with my clients, family, friends, YouTube channel ever since, and it really is a quick, easy, delicious, nutritious, affordable, no-brainer kind of snack, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it so I know. Leave me a comment. If you try avocado eggs, let me know what you think. If you don't want to miss next week's episode, subscribe now. And I'll see you next time, right here, same place. Ciao for now. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.